Okay, another one up here at Maple Motors. This is a whole lot different. It's a 2008 Nissan Frontier Extended Cab, 4-cylinder under the hood, and we'll take it down the road, pointing out flaws just like we do on the old classics here. You can see all of our inventory at maplemotors.com. We do have financing available for all of them. We also have shipping. We can ship it directly to your house. You can get a quote, and if you don't mind, hit subscribe. Everything from old schools projects to show cars, and every once in a while we'll throw in a new ride. All right, buckle up. About that time. Let's go for a ride. Looking around the interior, just kind of checking some stuff out. Seats can be cleaned up a little bit better. Oh gosh, this one's got the 5-speed in it, radio working, AC, all that works. It's cold. Across the dash, you do got a service engine light right in the middle. 270,000 miles is what this one's showing, and yes, we're gonna have to stop and get some gas. Okay, it's low tire. It could be a bad tire sensor. That's lights. That's wipers. That's horn. Let's see if the brake works. Yeah, it's holding. Not super strong, but it's holding. Got the back seats. These little seats here in the back. Got my bag full of goodies, showing you what I use to make these videos. Headliner. Lights working. Let's hit the road and we'll see what else we can find. Okay, so this should be very simple. It's a newer vehicle. We've been using it, you know, a little runaround truck for us. We'll run a lunch in it, you know, pick up some wheels and tires, whatnot. But we haven't noticed any issues with it running and driving. Let's go here. Well, I gotta watch my hand. I slipped and hit the wipers. Let's go straight down the road. Tight steering, shifts good, all the stuff on the dash is working. Downshift there. In our 5th gear. Shifts out great. Temperature's about halfway up on the dash there. We're gonna get some gas because we're almost on E and I don't feel like running out. Nobody likes running out of gas. Alright guys, it's on this side. It shows it here on the dash. I'll be right back. We got some fuel. Right there, this little tab here is not hanging on no more. Okay. And the gas gauge works. Good deal. All right, heading back to the lot. Got y'all on the head cam here. Let's roll. Here we go. Truck drives good, nice and smooth going down the road, shifts out clean, got plenty of throttle response, great brakes. Again, I'm shifting a bunch just to show it's going into all the gears. Still got good engine temperature. I've ran this truck for a good 30-45 minutes now making this video. Nice little bump coming up right here. Smooth. And of course we're pulling back in the lot for picking out the flaws, so stick around to the end of the video. Chips, scratches, rust, dents, there is some on this truck and you need to know about them. I do appreciate it, so hit subscribe and thanks again. Let's see, get up in here. Good deal. Okay, so I want to read the codes. I just plugged it all up. Let's see what we got here. Looks like that's why the check engine light's on. Good deal. Okay, here we go. Let's walk around this ride, look for any kind of dents, scratches, whatever I can find. There's detailed pictures on our website at maplemotors.com. Let's get started. Coming up on the front end here, you can see one of the headlights is a little foggy. That could be cleaned up. Looks like somebody cleaned this one. I don't know why they didn't do both. Little scratch here. The lower bumper, they got the clip missing here. It needs to be put back. The bumper itself could be back to black. That plastic, they make the kits for that. Little cracks in the front bumper paint. Coming down this side. Little spot in the paint there. Got stuff from the road at the bottom here. Little chips. Same. Road debris there. Chips. There's a dent right here in the back corner. Also here. Sunk it in just a little bit. Chip above your gas cap. or gas cap door. Little scuff there below the window. Here on the side. Chip there. Coming on down. Front windshield on this one looks pretty good. I don't see any scratches or big chips. Not on this side. We'll check the other side here in a moment. Rear's clean. Sorry about the wind noise. It is very windy. There's a storm front moving in again. Back window looks pretty good. Scratches above it. Over the roof. Bed rails. Bed itself. It's not bad. Coming up on the back, a little bit of a gap over here on this side. Spot here at the bottom. Dent in the back corner of that bumper. Couple dings right there in the bumper. Tailgate opens easy. Coming up with it. It's locked. Down this side. Got some chips from the road. Chips here in the back. Chips here at the bottom, all the way down the side. Looks like some road paint. Spot there. Back your midsection. This little truck here looked totally different with a buff job. It looks pretty clean now, but you could definitely tell it could use it. Chip here. Back window's okay. From your bed. Across the bed rails. Little spot there. Front windshield pretty clean on this side too. Let's go ahead and open her up, look at the interior. Very clean up under the hood. Got the crank windows. They're pretty smooth. Glass looks good on this side. Bottom of this door clean, along with all the jams. This has got the back door. Pretty clean mats, carpet in this one. Little wear there at the bottom. Seat's got a little bit of wear here on the side. Normal wear and tear there. Headliner's not bad. Interior in this one's actually in good shape, especially for the year. few little stains in the seat over here. It should clean up. And the dash looks decent. A squeaky belt. Shuts easy. Little chips in the front here. That needs to be done with the back to black stuff. That's where it's faded out from the sun. Okay, we've walked around this ride. We've checked it all out. There's a little ding here too when I step at an angle. I try not to miss anything. That way you know what you get before you get here. We get all kinds of different vehicles. Every once in a while we'll get some modern stuff. This is a lot of trade-ins, stuff that we need sometimes for the shop we'll use. But you can see detailed pictures, financing, and shipping at our website. And of course, when I get back to the lot, back on the muscle cars. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.